Hello, you're watching InstaForex News. Today we'll talk about gold and silver. Gold and silver are coming as sanctuary assets now. Presently, the ounce of silver costs $19, that by 15% higher than in early 2010. Last several weeks, the silver price broke the connection with gold that is explained by the manufacturing character of silver. The silver-gold ratio rose to 65 from 95 observed in the previous years. The higher is the ratio, the cheaper is the silver against the gold. The mounting extraction provides the most part of silver consumption, about 80%. The general consumption will remain at the rate of 2009 and will amount to about 800 million ounces. Mostly the silver is an addition unit during the production of gold, zinc, copper and Saturn. Due to a sharp price upturn last year and at the beginning of this one, the silver production gathered pace. The volume of all scrap silver amounts to 20% of the precious metal overall consumption. While the mining is rising, the delivery of silver industrial scrap is falling, that caused by a dropped interest to the photo industry. It is expected that this trend will continue this and the next year. Apart from the photo industry, the silver finds application in the manufacturing sector and cutlery production. In accordance with the information of the World Silver Institute, the demand on the precious metal in these fields equaled to 495 million ounces in 2009. Thus, the share of the manufacturing production reduced from 68% to 56%, that can be caused by the economic drop. According to the Commerzbank outlook, the economic situation this and next year must improve, due to that the production demand on silver will advance by approximately 50 million ounces by 2011. The investment demand on silver is also solidifying. After almost twofold growth in 2008, it moved up again in 2009 to 137 million ounces from 84 million ounces. Aside from this, the speculative investors have an optimistic mood that will help the silver price to go upwards. Long positions reached a 4-week maximum and presently amounts to 32,000 of contracts. Further increase will impact the silver price positively. The investment demand will be pushed up by the debt crisis in Europe, as the silver plays the role of a sanctuary asset as well as gold. Also, new inflow into silver ETF is expected. In addition, the silver demand will be also high in the form of coins and metals, which has risen for the last 2 years to 78.7 million ounces. As a result, the silver necessity with production and investment aims will accelerate the price upturn of this metal. Commerzbank focus shows that by the end of 2010, the silver will become more expensive to $20 per ounce and in 2011, $23 per ounce. In such a way, the silver will take a position of cheap and attractive alternative to the gold. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.